Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mike Henretty, and I'm delighted to present my analysis on pay for performance programs, or PFP systems. This topic is essential because PFP models significantly influence workplace dynamics, employee motivation, and organizational success. Today, I'll guide you through a comparative analysis of individual and group PFP systems, providing insights into their benefits, challenges, and practical applications. Whether you're an HR professional, a manager, or simply interested in understanding how to incentivize performance effectively, this presentation has something valuable for you. So let's dive in and explore this fascinating area. Let's start by exploring what pay for performance systems entail. These systems are designed to link employee rewards directly to their performance, ensuring that individuals or teams receive incentives for achieving specific targets. PFP models are critical because they align employee actions with organizational goals, fostering a results-driven culture. But here's the key question. Should rewards focus on individual contributions or collective team efforts? Each approach leads to vastly different outcomes and requires careful design to maximize effectiveness. Over the course of this presentation, we'll examine the unique dynamics of these systems, discuss their advantages and challenges, and conclude with recommendations for applying them effectively. Before we delve into the practical aspects, it's important to understand the theoretical basis of PFP systems. Expectancy theory provides a foundational framework suggesting that individuals are motivated when they believe their efforts will lead to desirable outcomes. For instance, if an employee anticipates that meeting a sales target will result in a substantial bonus, they are more likely to work harder. This connection between effort, performance, and reward is what makes PFP systems effective. Research supports this concept. In 2023, Frontiers in Psychology highlighted that well-designed PFP models have a positive effect on job performance, making them a valuable tool for organizations striving to improve productivity. Individual pay-for-performance systems are designed to reward employees based on their performance achievements. Examples include merit raises, commissions, and bonuses linked to specific performance metrics like sales quotas or task completions. The appeal of these systems lies in their simplicity and transparencies. Employees can see a direct correlation between their efforts and the rewards they receive. However, the success of individual PFP models relies heavily on clear, measurable performance indicators and consistent evaluation to ensure fairness. Let's look at the advantages of individual PFP systems. One major benefit is the direct link between effort and reward, which motivates employees to focus on achieving specific targets. This system also enhances personal accountability as employees understand that their rewards are tied to their own performance. A real-world example of this is General Motors, where salaried employees receive bonuses based on individual performance. This approach not only encourages productivity, but also helps the organization align employee efforts with its strategic goals. By fostering a sense of ownership and accountability, individual PFP systems can drive significant improvements in workplace performance. While individual pay-for-performance systems offer notable advantages, they are not without challenges. One of the main drawbacks is the risk of fostering unhealthy competition among employees, which can lead to conflicts and strained workplace relationships. Additionally, these systems may encourage a narrow focus on incentivized tasks, with employees prioritizing activities tied to rewards at the expense of broader organizational objectives. For example, an employee might concentrate solely on meeting sales targets while neglecting customer service or team collaboration. These pitfalls highlight the need for balanced and thoughtful designs when implementing individual PFP models. Now let's turn our attention to group-based pay-for-performance systems. Unlike individual models, these systems reward collective performance, promoting a team-first mentality. Examples include profit-sharing plans, stock options, and team-based bonuses tied to group achievements. The primary goal of group PFP systems is to encourage collaboration and mutual accountability among team members. Metrics often focus on broader organizational outcomes such as overall profitability, team outputs, and the completion of joint projects. This approach fosters a sense of shared responsibility and aligns team efforts with the organization's strategic goals. Group PFP systems have several distinct advantages. They encourage collaboration and teamwork as employees recognize that their success depends on the collective performance of their group. This approach can boost morale and create a sense of unity within the organization. Southwest Airlines is a prime example of this model in action. The company uses profit sharing and team incentives to reinforce its collaborative culture. By aligning employee interests with organizational goals, Southwest has built a workforce that is both motivated and highly engaged. However, group-based pay-for-performance systems also face challenges. One common issue is unequal effort distribution among team members. In some cases, high-performing employees may feel frustrated if they perceive that their efforts are being overshadowed by less productive colleagues. Another challenge is the complexity of allocating rewards fairly among group members. Organizations must carefully design their reward structure to ensure equity and maintain motivation within the team. Despite these hurdles, group PFP systems remain a valuable tool for fostering collaboration and achieving collective success. At this point, it's helpful to compare the two systems. Individual PFP systems excel in roles where measurable outputs are critical, such as sales positions or individual performance-driven jobs. In contrast, group systems thrive in team-oriented environments where collaboration and mutual accountability are essential. By understanding these distinctions, organizations can make informed decisions about which approach is best suited to their specific needs. Whether emphasizing individual achievement or fostering teamwork, both systems have unique strengths that can drive performance when applied strategically. So, what should organizations consider when choosing a PFP model? The answer depends on several factors, including the nature of the job, the industry, and the organization's overall goals. For roles with clearly defined individual outputs, such as sales, an individual-based approach may be more effective. On the other hand, industries like healthcare or manufacturing, which rely on coordinated team efforts, may benefit more from group-based systems. For many organizations, a hybrid model that combines individual and group incentives offers the best of both worlds. This approach ensures that employees are motivated to achieve personal goals while also contributing to team success. While both individual and group PFP systems come with challenges, they also present significant opportunities. By addressing potential pitfalls such as fostering unhealthy competition or balancing reward allocations, organizations can maximize the benefits of these systems. Ultimately, well-designed PFP programs can enhance motivation, drive engagement, and align employee efforts with organizational objectives. The key lies in thoughtful planning and continuous evaluation to ensure the system remains fair, effective, and aligned with the company goals. To recap, individual PFP systems are effective for driving personal accountability and measurable outcomes, while group systems excel at fostering collaboration and building a team-oriented culture. Both models have their unique advantages and drawbacks, making it crucial for HR professionals to tailor their approaches to the specific needs of their organization. By blending individual and group systems, organizations can create a balanced and effective incentive structure that drives performance at all levels. In conclusion, pay-for-performance systems play a vital role in shaping employee behavior and driving organizational success. While individual systems reward personal achievements, group systems foster teamwork and shared responsibility. The most effective approach often lies in combining these models to create a tailored solution that meets the unique needs of the organization. By aligning PFP programs with strategic objectives and employee needs, companies can build a culture of motivation, engagement, and sustained success. Finally, here are the references that informed this analysis, including foundational theories and real-world applications that shaped the insights shared in this presentation.